Hello everyone. I am very glad to welcome you all to the final video in Bold BI Deployment with Containers video series. In this video, I will walk you through the issues faced while deploying Bold BI with Kubernetes containers and the troubleshooting steps to resolve those issues. First, let's see the issues that need to be reported to DevOps team. If the application deployment is not successful after completing the process, check the status for the pods available in the namespace. Use the command kubectl get pods n namespace in your terminal to list the pods in the namespace with their status. If you see the pod status as crash loop backoff or image pull off, it could be a deployment level issue. So, contact the support team and inform them the issue is related to the DevOps team. Next, let's address the site access issue in the browser and go through the troubleshooting steps. In some cases, the application deploys successfully. However, you might be unable to access the application in the browser with the provided DNS or IP address. This issue may arise due to error in the Nginx or Istio load balancer. If you are using the Ingress Nginx load balancer, run the command kubectl get ingress n namespace. Under hosts, the DNS should be displayed. If you have used IP address to host the application, then asterisk should be displayed. Check the pods for the Ingress Nginx load balancer to verify the pod status using the command kubectl get pods and ingress nginx namespace. You can see the status as no resource found in ingress nginx namespace. So, you need to reinstall the Ingress Nginx load balancer using the following command. After reinstalling, open your browser and enter the address where the application is deployed. Now, you should see that the application has been deployed successfully. Next, I will show you the pending pods issue and the steps to resolve it. Once the application deployment is not successful, find out which pod is facing the issue by running the command kubectl get pods n namespace. Note down the pod which is in pending status. You should check the pod issue in detail by running the command kubectl describe pods pod name n namespace. Here, if the issue is related to pod storage, then insufficient CPU error message will be displayed as shown here. Now, open the portal where the application is deployed and select Node Pools. Navigate into the node pool and select Scale Node Pool. Here, increase the node count and apply the changes to the node pool. Now, check the pod status by running the command kubectl get pods n namespace. Here, all the pods are in running state. Open the browser and enter the URL where the application is deployed. You should see that the application has been deployed successfully. With this, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you found this video helpful in finding some of the issues faced while deploying Bold BI with Kubernetes containers and the troubleshooting steps to resolve them. With this video, the Bold BI Deployment with Containers video series comes to a closure. All the videos in the series are available in the Bold BI Container Deployment playlist. I hope to see you all soon with another informative and useful video series to upskill your technical knowledge. Thanks for watching.